What's going on, everybody? Thomas from Self-Made Outdoors, and I want to take you on another self-made adventure. This last weekend, I had the pleasure of taking my son Vincent out for his very first youth deer season hunt here in Iowa. But enough talking, let's get to the hunt. I'm going to get the jerky on the smoker, and I'll be back in a minute. Ever since my son was born, I couldn't wait to get him in a tree stand or a ground blind and pass on the torch, something I'm so passionate about. Today we are going to sight in the 450 Bushmaster for my son so we can go youth hunting.
Watch out for the
We're
glass.
going to go down just a little bit. We'll aim for the deer at 50 yards.
50 yards?
And then we'll move it back to 100. Got the deer in the head. Bullseye, let's go. Second three was this one, second, and then that was the third.
Oh.
That's where I was aiming. Hey, what's up, everybody? Today is September 19th. It's the first day of deer youth season here in Iowa. I'm headed to pick up my son. My wife and kids are already at deer camp. They're staying at our in-laws, so basically gonna go pick him up. I just got off work, and we're gonna go ask this farmer for permission that we were at last year to see if we can sneak in the backside of some public land.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
You're the owner of this place?
Yep.
Permission to get to the backside of that public?
Yeah.
I just wanted to stop out again and see if that was okay.
Yeah. Yeah. When you going?
I'm gonna take my son out tonight if that's all right. All right, let's go. Follow Dad, okay? Look how big these buck chucks are. Buck walking right down there. All right, guys, so we just got in the blind, got everything set up, got the final rest ready for him. He's comfortable. We're gonna get him some snacks and just wait. So hopefully we can see some deer movement here in a little bit. The wind's died down a little bit. We're tucked behind the cedar tree, but I think we got in clean, so got everything set up pretty quick. The only thing I debated was moving down closer, but I really don't want to disturb those deer because they could be right on the edge of that. Basically where we're at is on the top of a river bottom. The bottoms where we normally hunt this public land is all corn, so it's going to be pretty tough to navigate through and get a clear shot. So decided to come up to this field up top where it's all beans. Hopefully those deer are bedded along the ridge and come out to feed. The beans aren't as green as we wanted, but it's the best thing we got, especially with this wind. We have a really good wind right now, so wind's coming right at our face. So we shouldn't miss pretty much any action back here, but we should have a really good wind if the deer come out. So are you excited for your first deer hunt?
Yes.
What you doing?
Nothing. Just sitting here waiting for a deer to come out.
Yeah. You think we're gonna see anything tonight?
Yeah.
You too, buddy. With not a lot of movement that night, it was tough keeping my son's anticipation level high going into the next day. All right, everybody, we're back for day 2, afternoon of youth season 2020, and I believe it's the 20th, September 20th. September 20th, and we're headed back out. We're gonna go across this bean field in front of me, back to where we were set up yesterday. We'll set the blind back up, and I'm also gonna put a camera there. I had a camera here last year. It looks like there's already a scrape started, so we have a 20 degree or so wind out of the southeast. So really, we're going to be in the best spot we can be. One of the best spots we can be in this area. We did see some deer walking out yesterday. One of them looked big. We just couldn't tell what it was just because of how dark it was. But and we did see those two does in the opposite corner of the field. Unfortunately, by the time that I saw them, I could only see their head, and they eventually worked off the field, so we didn't get any video. But we'll just keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully we see something today. Let's go.
Hi.
Alright everybody, we had a doe walk through the field at about 105 yards about 10 minutes ago. It's almost 6 p.m. so it's a good sign. I wasn't expecting to see anything until 6:30, and we've already seen something about 5:40, so hopefully the deer keep moving out. I think he could have made that shot at 105 yards, but she was moving pretty good and didn't really stop. Maybe very, very briefly. So if he's gonna take that long of a shot, I want him to be comfortable. Both Vincent, but also the deer, to be comfortable out there feeding. Something had her kind of on edge. So hopefully more deer filter out soon. Can you see them? Yes. Good. Wait for his head to move. Wait. Are you ready or not? Is that on your ear? Yeah. Wait for him to go broadside, okay? Shoot him when you're ready, buddy. Right spot. Above the front leg. In the middle, okay? Gently, slowly squeeze the trigger when you're ready.
Okay, hold me, please.
You got it, you got it. Just like we practice. Just like we practiced. You got it.
I think I got him. I'm pretty sure I got him.
Good job, buddy. I'm so excited for you. So excited for you.
I can't believe I shot him.
I know. You hit him. You hit him.
Hello, Mom. I have very exciting news. I think I hit a deer.
Shut up, buddy.
Yes, I think I just got it a deer.
I cry for you. I'm so excited for you, honey. Oh my gosh, I just want to hug you.
We gotta go find him, don't we?
Uh-huh.
Oh, Vincent Miller.
We gotta go find him?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh my god. Buddy.
Was-
oh my gosh.
Was it a
I'm so
buck or a
happy
doe?
for you.
Was it a buck or a doe?
It was a buck.
Shut up.
Buck are the boy ones.
Oh, was it big or little or good size?
You tell her.
I'm pretty sure it was like big size, I think. I'm pretty sure.
Dude, okay. Okay, go find it and send me a picture, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I love you, buddy.
I love you too.
Bye.
Bye.
Come here, buddy. I want to hug. I'm so excited right now. Oh my God.
I'm so excited.
Oh.